ready for some wow with Mike in Motion.
I am on the ground in our community, and today I am at Dink'd Pickleball. We have talked about this. I'm with Vu, by the way, the pro here. Thanks for joining me.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
We talk about Dink'd a lot on the show, but it's one thing to talk and show pictures, but today we are actually here. It's the first time I have set foot on the court. You know, I come here, I have dinner, I go up to the loft, and I watch people play, but it's very empowering to be down here with the paddle and, you know, because I was a little intimidated, Vu. I'll tell you, and I know some of our viewers are intimidated.
We're going to have a good time. It'll be a lot simpler than you think.
Yes, you want to stay tuned because at the end of this segment, we're actually going to play, and I have never hit a ball yet. This is the first time I've ever had a paddle in my hand. This is a paddle?
That's correct.
Okay, great. I have to know the right terms. But this is amazing. I am a little intimidated. I'm not a sports-minded person, and when I come and I watch people, there are some very serious people that play. If you are serious about this, you can certainly do that, but there are also people playing, they're very casual, it's fun, they're laughing, they don't care if they mess up, and that would be me. So, and maybe you as well. But, you know, I always tell people, come in, get your feet wet, get a cocktail or a drink, and get some food and watch and just get your feet wet. But I was still intimidated, I'll be honest, but today I just feel more comfortable being here.
And it's kind of the cool thing about pickleball. I mean, we have events for people of all ages, all skill levels. As you alluded to, we have a lot of families that come here, parents just come in with their kids. We all have a great time.
That's nice. One thing that I notice here, we talk about the different areas they have that you can have parties and events and things. I saw the VIP room for the first time today. We talk about it on the show, but I've not actually seen it. I never noticed it was there because usually there's a lot of action going on, so I don't look closely. I'm usually up at the loft, which is a super fun area. You know, you have the area in the front, and people happen to be playing Mahjong up there today. You have an event up there today. There's always something going on, and that's up by the golf simulator. So that's kind of a fun area too. There are a lot of different areas in here that you can have a party or play a game with your friends or family.
We've got a lot of great space that's not necessarily dedicated to pickleball. So yeah, if you've got an event, we've got some space for you.
That's awesome. Well, people can play a little pickleball if they want. Not everybody has to play. But again, if you come in, I mean, little baby steps for me, and I'm here now, and I have a feeling in a couple months I'm going to be in here playing a little regularly because I can already tell I like it. I feel like, you know, when you play tennis, we were talking about this, it's a longer handle and then the paddle at the end. And so I just feel like this is more connected to me.
Should be a lot easier to play this than tennis. You got it.
Yes, it feels connected. I can see if I put it, it's hollow, it's lightweight. So yeah, it's not a heavy paddle. I know the balls aren't. Yeah, those are great. They're hollow balls as well. So I mean,
it moves a little slower through the air, doesn't bounce that high. So yeah,
this should be easy. Those look like they float. The balls, do they float? Can you
play
this in water?
These will float in water. You could just kind of knock this around in a swimming pool at the beach, whatever.
Yeah. Okay. Well, great. Well, I think maybe we should, you should teach me a little of the game and we should play a little bit. What do you think?
All right, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Before we get started, I do need I have a few questions. We realized that as we were starting to prepare. When I hit a ball, I mean, are we doing under, over, or
We're
out?
Generally going to be hitting with our paddle underneath the ball.
Okay.
That's the easiest way to hit the ball.
Okay.
There will be other times where you might bring your paddle up, but for today, we're just going to keep it kind of simple and keep everything down low.
Okay. As far as this court, it looks a little smaller maybe than a tennis court.
That's right. Yep,
okay.
That's correct. So it's smaller than a tennis court. Generally, it's a lot easier to play just because you're not having to run around a whole lot to play.
Okay, what else might I need to know?
All right, well, you ready to get started, hit a few balls back and
Sure,
forth?
I guess. Do we do certain areas or
Okay,
anything?
great. So I'm going to have you go to that side of the court, and where the two blue areas are meeting, we call this area the kitchen. So I'm going to have you stand on that side right
Ooh, I
behind
thought the kitchen was over there at the restaurant part.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Okay,
you got
the
it,
kitchen.
yeah.
All right,
so this is another kitchen.
Okay.
All right. So as a right-handed player, anything that's on this side of your body, we call that a forehand.
Forehand.
And anything
okay.
that's on this side of your body, we call that a backhand. So you're just going to turn that way. That's right. So we're going to stand right here outside the kitchen, and we're just going to kind of hit the ball back and forth pretty gently, okay?
Okay.
Nice.
All right.
That's it. You got it. That's
wow.
it. He's an expert already. Very
sorry.
nice.
Uh-oh, can I let it bounce
That's
twice?
good. So you can let all these bounce.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Oh, sorry, you got it again.
That's it. One more.
So we are cooking
All right,
in the kitchen.
perfect. That's
Okay.
really, really good. That's
Okay,
awesome.
all right.
So there's one rule in pickleball that's really unique. So this kitchen, what you're not allowed to do in the kitchen is to hit the ball in the air
Okay.
and step in the kitchen.
Okay.
So we do have a running joke and we say stay out of the kitchen. So
Stay
as
out of
long
the
as the ball
kitchen.
bounces, we're okay. But
Only
if
Dan is allowed in the kitchen.
you get that's
Okay.
correct. So if I hit the ball up to you in the air, you're gonna hit it in the air, but you just have to make sure your feet stay outside
not
of
in
the
the
kitchen.
kitchen.
All right, so
Okay.
you ready? This ball's gonna come up
Okay.
high. That's it. Good.
Okay.
That's perfect. So we call that a volley. Anytime you volley the ball in the air, you just have to make sure that your feet are outside
Okay,
the kitchen.
okay.
All
All
right.
right.
There's only one basic shot that I need to teach you, and that is a serve. You ready to try that?
Serve,
out?
sure.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the backside there.
All right.
So
I'm having a blast already.
Great. All right, so you're going to take this ball. So a serve is how we start off a point in pickleball. And just some basic rules are, I need to have my feet behind the line.
Okay.
I'm going to hit an underhand motion.
Okay.
And I need to aim diagonally that way.
Okay.
So a base serve in pickleball looks like that.
Okay. Oh, I should have gone
That's pretty
more.
good.
Okay,
Okay, so
so that's
try again.
angle more. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And that would be a perfect serve.
Okay, great. And it can go into the kitchen. It doesn't matter.
It technically has to go past the kitchen.
Past the
Do you want to
kitchen.
try one more?
Okay,
so
one
we can
more.
hit it
Let's see if
past?
I can get it right
Yeah.
this time. Oh, am I in?
Time's try. That's close. I got one more. Here
One
we go.
more. Okay, here we go. We're going to do it this time.
That would
Oh,
be it. So
we
that'd
did
be a
it.
perfect
Okay.
serve. That's
Great.
it.
Okay,
So
great.
once you learn the base of the serve, you and I just rallied a few balls at the kitchen. We're
Okay.
ready to play pickleball.
Wow, y'all, it's that easy. Boo, I can't thank you enough for showing me the basics. I will be back. I will
That was
definitely
super
be
fun.
playing.
You did
yeah,
great.
yeah, this is just amazing. So again, Dink'd Pickleball is so cool. I really have taken baby steps, and I challenge you to do the same. It's just a great experience. I mean, I see different age groups playing here as well. Really super fun. There were some girlfriends playing there. This looks like a husband and wife. And I've seen some pros here as well.
We welcome everybody.
Yeah, awesome. Well, check Dink'd Pickleball out. They're on Fury's Ferry Road. Grab a bite, play the game, get to know Vu. He is a great pro here. He and Mitchell here are the pros and so amazing. Thanks again.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for joining Mike in Motion. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.